So let's start with your name.
My name is Jaime Callison.
And where are you from?
I'm from Pullman, Washington. I'm the executive chef and culinary educator for Washington State University School of Hospitality.
And when did you get into culinary and hospitality?
Culinary, I've been cooking for about 36 years, and I've been involved in ProStart for about 20 years.
That's a lot of experience. And have you worked in many restaurants in the past?
Yeah, I've worked in from small little diners, country clubs, private restaurants, institutional cooking, hotels, a lot of different, and now teaching too. So I've definitely have a lot of varied experience.
And how long have you been teaching?
I've been teaching full-time for about 16 years, but I've been teaching part-time for probably about 25 years.
And why did you start moving towards culinary?
Well, I was in high school and I was working at a really good restaurant, just kind of a small town restaurant. It was a Friday night and I was actually cutting onions because we ran out of onions, and I looked around the kitchen and I was like, this is what I want to do. And ever since I was 16, I knew I wanted to be a chef.
That's really cool. And so do you plan on sticking with ProStart for a long time?
I do. At ProStart, I really see the value for the students and the outcomes that it provides for opportunities. I see myself sticking with ProStart through retirement.
Thank you so much.